Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Samsung printer, Xpress M2 series, and now I'm gonna show you how to change date and time on this printer. So firstly, you just need to open menu, so click on menu button, scroll right, and here you will see system setup, click OK. Choose machine setup, scroll right, and here you will see date and time. Click OK. Here we have our date and time, and we can change it. For example, I have here 2. Okay, so if you want to change 2, you need to use keyboard. For example, not 22, but I have date 22. Okay, so but I can change it. For example, 12/09, and here 2025, for example. And time, of course, you can change too. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.